Hello friends, welcome to GK Plus. This is the third part of 100 Indian history questions and answers. Let's begin. Moving to first question. Where is Brihadeshwar temple situated? Answer D. Tanjavur. Brihadeshwara temple is an ancient Hindu temple at Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu state. The deity of the temple is Lord Shiva in his dancing pose, that is Nadraj pose. Who is built this temple? Chola kingdom. Rajaraja Chola built the temple. Brihadeshwara temple recognized as UNESCO's World Heritage Property in the year 1987. Not that year, 1987. Moving to second question. The language in which Buddha preached. Answer C. Pali. Here we should understand some additional points. Tripitaka. Tripitaka is a traditional term used for Buddhist scriptures. There are three Pitakas. First one Sutta Pitaka, second one Vinaya Pitaka, third Abhidhamma Pitaka. These three Pitakas are written in Pali language. What is Jataka tales? Jataka tales are the stories of formal lives of Sri Buddha. This is also written in Pali language. Moving to third question. The Shaka era commencing from AD 78 was founded by Answer A. Kanishka. Shaka era was founded by Kanishka, emperor of Kushana Empire, from the year AD 78. Kanishka became the king in 78 AD, and this date was used as the beginning of Shaka calendar era. Kanishka became the king in 78 AD, and this date was used as the beginning of Shaka calendar era. One more point, our national calendar is based on the Shaka calendar. Shaka calendar consists of 365 days and 12 months, like the normal Gregorian calendar. And Chaitra is the first month of the year beginning. Moving to fourth question. Which of the following Pallava kings assumed the title of Vadabikonda after defeating and slaying the great Chalukyan king Pulakesin II? Here answer A. Narasimhan Varman I. The Battle of Vadabi took place between Pallavas and Chalukyas near the Chalukya capital Vadabi. Now the name is Badami. The Pallava king Narasimha Varman I assumed the title of Vadabikonda, meaning conqueror of Vadabi. When he defeated and killed Pulakeshin II, Chalukya king captured the Chalukyan capital Badami in AD 642. Fifth question. Who, according to the Buddhist, is believed to be next incarnation of Gautama Buddha? Answer B. Maitreya. It is a previous UPSC question also. Sixth question. Harihara Raya I, who ruled the Vijayanagara Empire for the period 1336 to 1356, belonged to which dynasty? Answer A. Sangama dynasty. The Sangama dynasty was a dynasty of Vijayanagara founded in the 14th century by two brothers. They are Harihara I and Bukkaraya I. Who are they? Harihara I and Bukkaraya I. Seventh question. The traces of Janapadas and Mahajanapadas are found in Answer D. All of the above. Eighth question. Dholavira is situated at the bank of river. Here there are four rivers: Indus, Ravi, Luni, Gaggar. Answer C. Luni. Dholavira is India's most prominent archaeological site associated with Indus Valley civilization. Dholavira represents the ruins of ancient city of the Harappan civilization. Do you know what is the unique features of Dholavira? It was built almost exclusively of stones instead of bricks. Second point, and sustainable use of water resource. Two unique features. First one, built almost stones instead of bricks. Second, sustainable use of water resources. Dholavira located at Kutch district. Where is Kutch? Kutch is in the state of Gujarat at the banks of Luni river. Okay, what is the importance of Luni? Luni is the largest river in the desert of northwest India. Largest river in the desert of northwest India. What is the meaning of that word Luni? Luni derived from the Sanskrit word Lavanavari. Lavanavari means salt river. The origin of Luni river is at Pushkar Valley of Aravalli range and ends at marshy lands of Kutch district, Gujarat. Ninth question. What were the crops raised by the Harappans? Cotton, wheat, barley, peas. Here answer all of the above. There is no option for all of the above, but you should understand cotton, wheat, barley, peas were the crops raised by the Harappans. 10th question. Who were the immediate successors of the Mauryans in Magadha? Answer: Shungas. Shunga dynasty was an ancient Indian dynasty from Magadha. Its period was 184 to 75 BC. 184 to 75 BC. Shunga dynasty was established by Pushyamitra Shunga. Dynasty was established by Pushyamitra Shunga. 11th question. Which one of the following item was collected only in cash under the Mauryas? Answer: D. Hiranya. Land tax was the main item of revenue and was collected at the rate of 1/6 of the produced during Mauryan period. Okay. Peasants had to pay many other taxes like Pindakara, accessed on group of village, Hiranya, which has to be paid only in cash. Normal Kara, levied on fruits and flower gardens. 12th question. Which one of the following was an important port of the eastern coast during Gupta period? Answer: B. Tamralipki. This port was located in present-day town of Tamluk in West Bengal. The name Tamralipti comes from Tamra. Its meaning copper, which was mined nearby at Gatsila of Bihar and exported through this port, Tamralipti. Interestingly, even today, almost 2500 years later, these copper mines are active and copper is mined by Hindustan Copper Limited. 13th question. The temple of Konark was built by Narasimha of the Maratha administration, Chola administration, Ganga administration, Vijayanagar administration. Very famous temple, Konark. I think all of you know that. Answer: C. Ganga administration. Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century sun temple at Konark, about 35 km from Puri on the coastline of Odisha. The temple is attributed to King Narasimha. Of the Eastern Ganga dynasty, about 1000 and 1250 CE. Fourteenth question. Which among the following is the oldest dynasty? Maurya, Gupta, Kushan, Kanva. Answer A. Maurya dynasty. Here, Maurya dynasty. Who was the founder of Maurya dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya. 322 BCE. That was the period. Then Gupta dynasty. Founder Chandragupta first. Duration 319 to 467 CE. Third one, Kushan dynasty. Founder Cadaphyses first. After Cadaphyses I, Kanishka came to rule, an empire in Bactria extending to Pataliputra. 78 AD to 103 AD. Last one, Kanva dynasty. Who was the founder? Founder was Vasudeva Kanva. 72 BCE to 28 BCE. Oldest one, which is the oldest one? Maurya dynasty by Chandragupta Maurya. 322 BCE. Important point. Moving to 15th question. The iron pillar at Mehroli in Delhi is believed to record the achievements of Ashoka, Chandragupta Maurya, Samudragupta, Chandragupta II. Answer D. Chandragupta II. 16th question. Who of the following was a contemporary of Alexander the Great? Contemporary means same time. Here options: Bimbisara, Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, Pushyamitra Shunga. Answer Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was the contemporary of Alexander the Great. 17th question. Whose achievements are recorded in the Allahabad pillar inscription? Answer B. Samudragupta. Samudragupta's court poet and minister Harisena composed the Allahabad pillar inscription. Another name of Allahabad pillar inscription, Prayag Prasthi. And the pillar was an Ashokan pillar erected by Ashoka, 6th century before him. 18th question. Gupta Empire declined in the 5th century AD as a consequence of Chalukya raids, Greek invasion, Hun invasion, Pallava raids. Answer C. Hun invasion. The Alcon Huns invaded parts of northwestern India from the second half of 5th century. 19th question. Who among the following Kushan emperors was the first to introduce the gold coinage in India? Answer A. Vima Kadphises. Kushan Emperor Vima Kadphises is said to be responsible for introducing gold coins in India around 100 CE. Moving to 20th question. Who was the first Gupta ruler who assumed the title of Maharajadiraja? Options are A. Skandagupta, B. Chandragupta first, C. Chandragupta second, D. Kumaragupta. Answer Chandragupta first. Chandragupta first assumed the title Maharajadiraja, means king of great kings. Okay friends, third part is over here. Please subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Also press the bell icon. Thank you friends.